Good morning, asset builders. Good morning, good morning. No, good morning to all our guests and distributors all over the world. And this is our agenda for this morning. We help you achieve, travel, and earn at the same time. Buy your own car, be healthy and stay young, and build your own franchising business. Okay, good morning. Why good morning? It symbolizes new hope, new beginning, and new miracle because the sun never sets with lifestyles. Okay, so I will introduce to you our first speaker, a college level HRM, a former beauty consultant at Watson's, former traditional business owner and real estate agent, Miss Asset Builder 2023, and class first honor of the 90-day Momentum Program, batch 9, 10, and 11, a product of our own products. Please help me welcome Executive Director, 6 Qualified Leg, Power Leg, Eileen Lambert. The screen is yours, Ma'am Eileen.
Hello, good morning. Thank you, beautiful host, Michelle. Good morning, world, and hello, Philippines. So I am Eileen Lambert from Talisay City, Cebu. So my task for this morning is our team advocacy. Build assets and be free. Can you type, I want to be free? Comment in the comment section, I want to be free. All right. There are the top 3 secrets to financial freedom. So first, secret number 1 is to rapidly achieve financial freedom is not from job promotion and not from building career, but building assets, no? Kaya nga sabi nila, wala talagang naging mayaman sa pagiging empleyado. Next is, how do you define assets? So according to Sir Robert Kiyosaki, the famous author of the book Rich Dad Poor Dad, assets are anything that put money into our pocket, no? Like example, ang bahay natin, matatawag ba nating assets or liabilities? So depende yun, di ba? Pag yung bahay natin pinaparentahan, so it's considered as assets because it put money into our pocket. Pero pag tinitarhan natin, so hindi yan matatawag natin na assets. Gets nyo ba? Can you type gets ko? Alright? So, but the problem is our programming. So, here they are. So, find a job so we can pay our bills. Diba? Yun yung mga sabi ng mga magulang natin, no? It's familiar to us, no? Na anak, mag-aral ka ng mabuti para makahanap ka ng magandang trabaho, para may pang gastos tayo araw-araw, no? Tapos, aim for promotion to increase our salary. Diba? Galingan natin. Oo, overtime. Thank you yung overtime para ma-promote tayo, no? I've been there in that world. Na-promote ako, dadami din yung trabaho ko, dadami din yung responsibilidad ko. So, nakaka-stress, di ba? Then, stay loyal to secure our retirement benefits, no? Yung mga yung sometimes, no, yung mga guests natin dyan, oo. Sino mga guests dyan, B? Type me na nagtatrabaho pa na okay lang magtrabaho ako ng 40 years kasi may retirement kami, no? So, can you ask a question to yourself na after 40 years, ma-enjoy mo pa yung yung pension mo, di ba? Di ba? So, kailangan talaga natin mag-build ng assets, no? You are programmed just to survive. They can have financial freedom, no? To survive lang talaga yung trabaho natin. Hindi talaga tayo magkakaroon ng financial freedom, no? Kahit ano pa yung gawin natin, di ba? Katulad ni GMD Wilma, dami niyang extra income, pero hindi talaga, no? By building, you are an asset for your company. Oo, asset lang tayo ng company. Why you will accept it? Let's build our own company, no? Kasi you are the one doing the work for them, but they make more than you do, no? Tayo yung effort ng effort, tapos yung boss natin yung malaki yung makukuhang money, no? That's the reason why you still don't have financial freedom, no? Na ano nyo ba, na-realize nyo ba yan? Bakit kayod ng kayod tayo, pero hindi pa rin tayo nakaano ng financial freedom, no? So now you need to realize the only way to secure your financial freedom is not by building your career, but building your own assets, not your boss assets, no? Build your own assets so that money will continuously flow to you every month, even without continuously working hard. Yan yung mga ano natin, mga GMD, no? Kahit nag-travel, passive income is real. Yan yung future natin, no? Secret number 2, properties are great assets for rentals, but they are not affordable to many people, no? To have a rental, so we need millions. But wala man tayong millions, no? So there's a solution. I started with a very small capital and build people asset first, no? So kailangan natin mag-build ng people. So here's what I did. Using a minimal capital, I discovered great products which are proven to be sellable, no? I started distributing them. I just followed the franchising system, which provides the most effective ways of distributing the products, no? When I started earning good, I started empowering people by training them to do the same so they too can earn. So we are helping people. We are not using people, no? By helping them earn, I also earn. As I build my people asset, they build their asset as well. Everybody wins. So it's win-win situation talaga dito sa lifestyles, all right? So you don't have to start with properties. So start by empowering people first kasi wala man tayong millions to start, right? So here, the secret number 3 is you are not alone. You will be guided and mentored all the way. Marami tayong mga mentor dito, no? Just for free, no? I-follow lang talaga natin sila. A mentor is a person who empowers you to see possible future and believe it can be obtained, no? So sila talaga yung i-mentor talaga na tayo nila kasi sila na yung nandun, oo, na na nila na naging successful na sila, no? The main reason why I rapidly achieve financial freedom kasi may mga mentor talaga tayo dito, no? It's because I was guided and I was given the mentorship I needed, no? Dito talaga, once teachable tayo, no, maging successful din tayo katulad ng ating mga mentors, no? The empowered me and I was able to succeed. Okay. So that's why you are here to be guided and empowered also, no? So sino lang yung hindi maging successful dito? Yung mga tao lang na hindi hindi nagpunta sa hindi na naging quit. Oo, nag-quit, no? So here it is, the 3 secrets to financial freedom summary is to achieve financial freedom is number 1 is build assets, not career. Can you type there? Build assets, not career. All right? Clear? So number 2 is start with people asset first, not properties. Kasi wala pa tayong millions, right? Then number 3 is be mentored to achieve it fast. So magpaturo talaga tayo dito kasi wala nang trial and error talaga dito, no? So now it's your turn. Are you ready? Can you type I am? Are you ready to build your assets? What a question, right? So, ito na pala, tapos na pala ako sa akong topic. So, I am Eileen Lambert from Talisay City, Cebu. So this is my lifestyle story. This is us, my husband and me, way back 2019. Hindi talaga kami believer ng any food supplement. My husband is a Belgian, but during 2020, inatake siya ng acid reflux at first, diabetes, sinusitis, arthritis, no appetite. Umabot na sa point na ayaw na niya matulog kasi baka hindi na siya magising by the next day. So sad. Imagine, in just 5 months, bumagsak siya from 95 kilos, naging 73 kilos siya, no? Grabe talaga. Then, isa din yung anak ko, no? Five doctors yung anak ko. Sabi ng doktor na imposible talaga kami magkaroon ng aso dahil sa allergy, asthma, at saka mag nose bleeding, gani, oo. Tapos ako din kasi nagkasakit yung husband ko, ako rin nagkasakit ako, no? I was diagnosed PCOS, I gain weight, no? Kahit the same lang yung lifestyles ko, the same diet, I gain 80 kilos, imagine, no? Then I have insomnia, migraine, vertigo, then allergy, no? So, that was before 2020, oh, no? Then now, ito talaga, last 2021, nag-express talaga ako kasi nag-try ng husband ko ng tatlong botilya lang ng Intrajuice, tapos nakita namin na may good result talaga, no? So nag-express package ako para may stocks kami, tapos malaki yung discount ko kasi mukha akong pera oo. So yun, inastudihan ko yung company, sabi ko, makakapira pa ako dito. So doon, the business just follow, no? So ito talaga yung blockbuster ko. May aso na kami, tapos yung anak ko medyo hindi kalakihan siguro kung sa iba, pero grabe yung happiness ko. Yung anak ko pwede na siyang maglaro ng volleyball, no? Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lifestyles, taking Intra, no? So yan, tapos yung husband ko, mag-share na talaga siya kahit saan kami magpunta, kahit sino yung kinakausap niya, mag-share talaga siya na i-try nyo tong si Intra. Intra save my life, no? Yun talaga yung sabi ng husband ko na pag hindi pa ako lumingon ng Intra, wala na ako dito sa mundo. No, so sad, no? Pero grabe talaga si Intra. No, amazing talaga. I-try nyo lang. So that's one day, it's you who can testify. No? And here, hindi tayo alone, di ba? Hindi alone business. Dito, tuturuan tayo, sasamahan. Dito, hindi lang ikaw yung magkachiki, pati yung mga downline mo, no? Then ito, personality growth. Grabe yung personality growth ko dito. Noon, yung may mga talaga ako dito, no? May mga kaibigan ako, may mga invites ako dyan na viewers. Alam talaga nila na party girls ako. Saturday, Sunday, yung topic namin, uy, saan gala natin ngayon? Pero ngayon, palagi na akong nag-share sa kanila na, uy, i-try natin yung lifestyles, no? Tapos dito, hindi lang tayo magtitinda ng Intra, pero tuturuan tayo with the asset building program, tuturuan tayo how to invest. So here, this is my achievement for almost 3 years doing the business. No, tinuturuan ako na how to invest, no? Din dito, grabe yung travel dito. Kung ikaw laagan ka, ito talaga yung perfect business para sa iyo. Local and international travel given, no? Hindi na kasya dyan sa slides, no? So ito ako, tingnan nyo sa slide, ang taba-taba ko noon, pero ngayon, sexy na kasi product of the product. No, yes. Then, hindi ko ito makamit lahat kung hindi ako nagpaturo sa aking mga mentors. Oo, dito may mga mentors talaga tayo na mag-guide sa atin, no? So dito, National Gala, malapit na. So join talaga tayo, no? Para tayong mga artista. Din na instant din ako, Miss Asset Builder, no? Parang Miss Universe. Char! Ang ganda talaga dito. Super positive yung community. Yes, super happy and super mga positive talaga. Oo, no? So dito na tayo, mag-lifestyles na kayo, no? Then dito, siguro may tanong ako sa inyo, din itanong nyo din yung sarili nyo na para kanino ka bubabangon, di ba, sa pamilya natin. So dito talaga yung big wise natin, sila talaga yung sila talaga yung big wise natin, bakit natin ginagawa itong business na to, no? So yung mga pangarap ng ating family, pwede nating tuparin. Yung pangarap ng parents natin na hindi nila natupad, pwede tayo yung tutupad, no? Super grabe talaga, amazing talaga, no? Then dito, hindi ako mag-grow kung wala akong mentors. So sila yung mga mentors ko. Yes, thank you so much, no? Mga GMD. So here it is. So I will share this to you. I will share. So my success affirmation, if they can do it, I can do it. You can do it. You decide it now because nobody else will do it for you. So please take the products, then the business will just follow. With that, thank you and good morning.
Thank you so much, Mama Eileen, for sharing those 3 secrets, not to financial freedom. Now, are you excited to build your own assets? Type yes, I'm excited. Dapat excited talaga. Introducing our second speaker. Graduated as Bachelor in Secondary Education, major in Agricultural Technology, a secondary school teacher, doing Lifestyles Mission since 2018. Please help me welcome Regional Director Jojo Wesley Arquesa. The screen is yours, Ma'am Jojo.
Good morning! I am Jojo Wesley Arquesa from Mabinay. And now I am here as your speaker for this event of our Lifestyles event. Our topic is fighting body pollution. I am introducing to you our company that builds assets. Our assets, not others' assets. Atin talagang assets ang ating i-build dito. Kaya, mas maganda pag malaman natin kung ano ang mga magaganda dito na pwedeng makatulong sa atin para mas magiging successful tayo dito. Lifestyles is an international corporation founded in 1989 in Toronto, Canada. So matagal na siya. Present in more than 30 countries. Kaya pag may mga kakilala kayo, mga friends, kapamilya, pwede nyo silang paggamitin nito. More than 25 years of proven success. At first na success dito is health talaga. Pangalawa na yung financial. All products are manufactured by Lifestyles in Canada. So hindi tayo umaangkat dito ng produkto. And Lifestyles is a proud member of the Direct Selling Association. So hindi tayo dito scam, no? So makikilala natin kung isang company ay member ng DSA kung hindi siya nag-change ng company name. At ang atin, Lifestyles, 35 years na. So next year, mag-36 years na tayo since 1989 ito nagsimula. Our natural source premium quality products to help today's challenge, produced in Canada in accordance with GMP and HACCP standards for purity, safety, and sanitation, and approved by FDA, kosher rated, and halal certified. Kaya kung meron tayong makakilala, na hindi Filipino, so pwede natin silang bintahan kung mga sila, Jewish o kaya ay mga Chinese, gano'n, no? And then meron tayong 30-day money back guarantee, no? So ang ganda dito kasi meron tayong 30-day money back guarantee. Pero sa pag-inom natin dito ng products, wala talagang nagiging naibalik kasi maganda naman talaga ang produkto. Always repeat orders ang nangyayari dito. Kasi maganda mga produkto sa lifestyles. Ang una nating produkto, ito ang ating flagship product, no? Amazing Intra with 23 herbs. So, Amazing Intra na may 20 products in one product, enjoyed by millions of people around the world. Intra has 23 herbs. Detoxifier siya, immune supporter, energy booster, and ang galing, safe for all ages. Kaya paborito ito ng mga kabataan. Safe din sa mga buntis. Kaya kung nandito ito sa bahay natin, lahat tayo, no, pwedeng uminom ng Intra. Hindi na tayo maghanap pa kung anong inumin para kay lola, kay lolo, kay tita, or kay tito. Si Intra na talaga kasi safe for all ages. Yes or yes? So, napakasarap talaga ng ating Intra, no? So, pangalawa is our Nutria Plus, the ultimate antioxidant, source of 12 different fruits, vegetables, vitamin, and mineral. Lalo na ngayong panahon na ito na hindi na tayo lahat kumakain ng fruits and vegetables, no? 12 fruits and vegetables. It helps reduce cancer with selenium used by National Cancer Institute studies globally. The powerful antioxidant that helps slow down the effects of aging. So it will keep you young looking, no? Keeps you young looking. So gusto nyo ba yun? Sige, type nyo nga kung gusto nyo maging always young looking. Forever young. Ika nga sa kanta, no? Forever young. Okay. So pangatlo nating produkto is Fiber Life Revolutionary and Proprietary Soluble Fiber Blend. It's as easy as A, B, C. It helps control appetite para maiwasan natin ang obesity. Kasi ang mga babae ngayon gusto talaga laging sexy. B, for blood sugar levels para maiwasan natin ang diabetes, no? So, makontrol ang blood sugar levels. Kasi naman ang mga masasarap na pagkain palaging matatamis. At to control cholesterol para maiwasan ang mga heart disease. Maintains healthy weight itong ating Fiber Life. So, mga heart disease, problema yun kasi mas hindi siya agad-agad napapansin. No? So, mahirapan tayo kung meron tayong mga cholesterol kasi importante sa atin yung ating heart. Pag hindi na yung nag-function, naku, delikado tayo. So, that's why it's good to take Fiber Life para ma-maintain natin na tayo ay healthy pati ng ating weight. Yes or yes? So type yes sa mga gusto maging sexy at maiwasan ang obesity. Ang fourth at last nating produkto is Cardio Life. It contains vitamins, minerals, and plant extracts including vitamin MK7, the vitamin K2 brand, which is unique and well-studied. So ito ang pwedeng gawin sa atin ng Cardio Life. A, for healthy heart, no? So gusto nyo ba yon maging healthy ang inyong heart? Letter B is for stronger bones. So magaling ito sa atin mga babae na nagbubuntis at saka papanganak pa, no? Kasi minsan yung mga bones natin is nagkakakulang na siya ng calcium. At for brain health, so maganda din ito sa ating mga estudyante kasi magiging healthy ang brain. Pati na rin sa ating mga elders, no, sa family kasi minsan talaga nakakalimutin ang ating mga elders. So this Cardio Life keeps you energized. So ang galing ng Cardio Life. So gusto talaga natin na maging healthy ang ating heart at ating mga bones at saka health para walang aray-aray, no? Kasi masakit yung mga bones natin minsan kung hindi tayo nagkakaroon ng strong bones kasi kulang tayo sa calcium at doon makikita natin yan sa ating Cardio Life. So gusto nyo ba na maging healthy kayo? So yes, sabihin nyo na ang yes. So we have Better Together Kit. Yon ang ating nakikita dyan. No? So may dalawang intra sa loob niyan at isang Nutria Plus, isang Fiber Life, and isang Cardio Life. Kung iinom tayo nito, it helps provide over 250 health building properties. So our bahay, let's say for example sa bahay natin, kung inom tayo ng isang produkto, okay, maganda, no? Parang sa bahay natin kung may isa tayong nagtatrabaho, matatapos ang bahay pero matagal. So maganda itong Better Together Kit, 4 talaga, no? O ito ang mas maganda nating inumin, yung Better Together Kit. Our detoxification program for 3 months, no? So ang isang Better Together Kit, so it's worth 8,400. Okay, so mas maganda na ang ating pakiramdam pag ang itong Better Together Kit ang ating iniinom. Yes or yes? So sa mga nag-take na ng Better Together Kit, mag-type kayo, yes, masarap talaga at maganda ang ating pakiramdam sa ating pangangatawan pag tayo ay nag-Better Together Kit. Okay, so sa hindi pa nakatry, so mag-try na tayo. Grabe ang aking experience, no, sa products. Noong sumama ang pakiramdam ko, tinatawag na nga ako ng aking mga kasama ko sa work, no, na parang zombie. Kasi halos hindi ako makagalaw noon. Mahinang-mahina ako kung kumilos. Parang walang kalalagyan ang pagod na naramdaman ko. Sobra rin ang pananakit ng mga bones sa aking likod. Okay, so dahil doon, hindi na ako nag-aalaga sa aking 1-year-old daughter tuwing Sabado that time. Kain na tulog na lang ako lagi. Ang asawa ko na ang nag-aalaga sa anak namin. Buti na lang ang isang baguhan naming kasamahan sa school nag-introduce sa akin, no, nitong lifestyle products. Naging okay talaga ako. Sobrang ganda na ng pakiramdam ko kahit pa nga maghahating gabi pa na makipaglaro ako sa aking 1-year-old daughter. Di na ako napapagod kahit may klase pa ako kinabukasan. Naging okay na ako. Pinainom ko na rin ang asthmatic ko at sobrang allergic na panganay na anak kasi okay na ako. Gusto ko siya naman ang maging okay. Salamat rin at nagiging okay siya. Hindi na kami pabalik-balik sa check-up at katunayan, hindi na talaga kami nakakabalik sa pedya niya. Since 2020 hanggang ngayon, salamat talaga na pinainom siya namin ng intra. Tapos, pinainom ko na rin yung pangalawang anak ko, no, as vitamins niya at sobrang nasasarapan talaga siya sa intra juice. Kaya kung siya ay magsusuplada at sasabihin ko sa kanya na hindi na papainumin yung mga suplada o kaya yung mga bad people, agad-agad siyang aayos sa kanyang sarili at agad-agad sabihin niya sa akin, Mama, behave na talaga ako at very good na ako kaya pwede na ba akong uminom ng intra? So ang galing talaga, no? Bumabait talaga pag makakainom ng intra. Tapos yung asawa ko naman, may sinusitis siya, no? So nung makainom na siya ng intra, hindi na siya nahirapan kasi noong una, pag malamig ang panahon, halos hindi siya makahinga kasi feeling niya punong-puno ang kanyang ilong. At lalo na kung hindi rin maganda ang panahon. So kaming lahat ay nagbe-benefit na talaga ng intra or lifestyle products. Kaya palagi na ako ngayong nagsishare kung ano ang mga benefits ng products kasi gusto ko rin marami ang matugunan ang kanilang mga pangailangan sa mabuting pangangatawan. Okay, so dito makita natin marami na akong nagawang mga STPs, no? Kasi gusto ko na talagang malaman ng mga kakilala ko, mga kaibigan ko, mga kapamilya ko na meron tayong magandang produkto dito sa lifestyles. I'm so grateful to God at na-meet namin ang lifestyle products. Wala na kaming alalahanin kahit anong mga karamdaman namin, no? Para sa amin, lifestyles lang ang sagot. So wag kayong papayag na hindi kayo makainom ng intra, Nutria Plus, Fiber Life at Cardio Life. At dito, napakaganda rin dito kasi hindi tayo hinahayaan, no, or pinapabayaan ng ating mga mentors. Kaya, yun, meron tayong guide kung paano gawin at ito at paano i-share ang ating magandang produkto. At dito, nakagandahan din dito kasi hindi ako masyadong punta ng mga iba't ibang lugar. Pero dito, naka-visit na ako ng iba't ibang lugar. At salamat sa Lifestyles, no, nakapunta ako ng Coron, Palawan. First time ko yun makasakay ng airplane. So parang hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin doon. At nakapunta din ako sa Siargao. So nag-island hopping kami doon. Parang hindi ko naman ito plinano noon, no? Pero ang sarap pakinggan na kahit papano, because of Lifestyles, natuto akong mangarap, no? Natuto akong magbuo pa rin ng bagong pangarap. Kasi noon naman talaga, meron naman tayong pangarap, no? Nung bata tayo. Pero iba pa rin pala pag mayroong nag-guide sa atin. Kasi noong unang panahon, ang dream ko lang naman talaga is makakain 3 beses sa isang araw. At saka yung meron noon, lagi talaga inisip ko, dapat meron lang akong manuka na maliit o babuyan na maliit, tapos may garden ako na maliit. Pero hindi pala, no? Pwede pa rin palang iba doon na kahit papano is ma-provide pa din ang ating mga pangangailangan. So nakapunta ako ng mga iba't ibang lugar. So ang ganda, ang sarap sa feeling. Yung feeling na namimit mo yung mga kakilala mo na hindi mo na nakikita, yung mga kapamilya mo na matagal na hindi mo nakikita. At saka lalo na pag meron kang natutulungan, no? Natutulungan ng mga tao na talagang nangangailangan ng products. Ang sarap talaga sa pakiramdam pag nagme-message sila na okay sila, maganda ang tulog nila, sarap na ang kain nila, hindi na nananakit ang kanilang mga kasukasuan o ano pang mga parts ng body nila na noon ay iniinda nila kasi masakit. At saka dito, meron din tayong mga promotions dito, no? Ang lahat ng ating mga hirap na ginagawa natin talagang nakikita ng ating company. Okay, so with that, thank you very much. Good morning.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Jojo, for that very informative product presentation and for sharing your amazing interest story. Okay, so are you still happy? Are you blessed? Type nyo nga, I am blessed. Kasi sobrang blessed talaga tayo ngayon, no? So, para mas lalo tayong i-bless at ang buong team natin, I will introduce to you our third speaker. Okay, so our third speaker, a former medical sales representative for 10 years, started her own medical supplies business in 2018 and a professional network builder. Please help me welcome National Marketing Director, Lucille Carbona Valenia. The screen is yours, NMD.
Yes, thank you so much, NMD Sheila, for that warm introduction. Again, good morning, world. Good morning, Philippines. This is Lucille Carbona Valenia. My task this morning is to discuss to you paano inumin yung intra or yung produkto natin na libre. Kasi sabi nga ni Ma'am George Lee, kanina na magaganda yung benefits ng products natin. So ngayon, isi-share ko po sa inyo paano inumin ng libre, may libre na, may checky pa. So gusto nyo? Type yes kung gusto nyo. So ano yung gagawin? Paano tayo magkainom ng libre? Of course, be a distributor, no? Dapat mag-enroll tayo na magiging distributor kasi doon natin ma-experience na makainom ng libre at magkaroon ng checky. So, we have our detox program package. Our investment is 24,400. The membership is a 20% discount, so you will have 3 B tickets plus 1 intra worth of 27,800 and an accident insurance of 1,100,000 hospitalization. And you just get 2 duplicates. So kailangan mo lang humanap ng 2 duplicate na mag-i-enroll ng the same program. Ano pa?
Then we have also our 14R package. Our investment in this package is 12,430. You will get a membership of 20% discount, 7 intra worth of 12,950, an accident insurance of 1 million and 100,000 hospitalization. And you get a duplicates of 4 and reinvest. So kailangan mo lang humanap ng 4 na i-enroll ng the same package and reinvest. Then, either package, after 30 days, you will enjoy the 40% discount. So, di ba, sa mga nag-aaral pa, no, yung wala pang trabaho, wala pang pera, so pwede tayong magsimula sa maliit. Or pwede pang mas maliit dyan. Magpapaturo ka lang sa tao na nag-invite sa'yo or nag-share sa'yo ng link. So, pwede talagang gawin ang business sa maliit pa na paraan. Basta magpaturo lang. So we have to create our own account here. So we have bonuses. Ang daming bonus dito. So first, we have our what we call PBC. Ito yung Personal Business Center. So pwede nating tingnan yung negosyo natin 24/7. Minuminuto kung gusto mong i-check. Andyan makikita mo with your Personal Business Center. Then ito yung kumbaga the back office tools. And then we have the Business Owners Pro. So doon makikita natin yung mga trainings, no? Kung paano natin gawin yung negosyo. Papasok lang tayo, no? Or i-google natin si Business Owners Pro, doon makikita natin kung ano yung dapat nating gawin. And we have also our intra-site. So kung meron tayong mga kaibigan outside sa Philippines, so pwede natin i-share yung site natin, no? Libre yun, di ba? Kung gagawa tayo ng site, malaki yung bayad. Pero dito sa Lifestyles, libre ni Lifestyles yung intra-site natin. Yun lang yung isi-share natin para kung yung mga kaibigan natin, kilala natin or relatives natin na sa ibang bansa, doon sila papasok sa personal website natin para bibili ng produkto. And we have the Asset Builders International. So, ito yung brand website natin na Asset Builders. So, your earning potential. So, dito sa Lifestyles, marami po tayong earning potential. First is our retail profit. So, kung naging distributor ka na, automatically, pagkatapos mong makumpleto yung package, no, you will earn the retail profit kasi 40%er ka na. Kung 40%er ka na, yung intra na 1,800 pesos less the 40% discount, you will earn 720 pesos per bottle. And the BT kit or the Better Together kit, you will earn 3,360 pesos per kit. So, malaking income. Kung ikaw ay isang estudyante or nagpa-part-time pa lang, no? Kung nagtatrabaho ka sa opisina with 400 pesos na daily rate, so ang laki, kung lalo na kung BT kit yung madi-dispose mo everyday. And we have the check per package. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na iinom tayo ng libre at the same time magkaka-cheque. So dito, pag may nag-enroll sa'yo at 14R, you will receive an incentive from Lifestyles of 2,430 pesos. At yung detox program, you will earn 5,207 pesos. Malaking pera yun, lalong-lalo na sa mga millennials, no? Nahirap, no? Kahit 500 pesos na extra income. So dito, kung magpaturo ka lang, malaki yung earning potential. Ano pa? So, ito yung pinakamaganda at ito yung hinahangad nating lahat, no? Ako nga, that's why I'm doing the business because I want to enjoy this royalty bonus, the power of leveraging. So it starts with you, so dapat ikaw, kasi ikaw yung andito ngayon, ikaw yung sinishare ng goodness ng products, no? Ng opportunity. So dapat it starts with you, hindi dun sa ini-invite mo din, no? Dapat ikaw and you will just find another 6, no? I-duplicate ka lang. Hahanapin mo yung 6 mong kaibigan kasi dapat meron ka daw 6. Kasi kung wala kang 6, masamang tao ka daw, o 'di ba? So, I'm sure marami tayong 6 na kaibigan, yung 6 tuturuan, gaya ng tinuturo sa iyo, ituturo mo din doon sa 6 mong kaibigan para magiging 36 hanggang aabot ng 9,330. So hindi mo na kilala yun. Yun yung total people ng organization mo. So kung ganun nakalagay yung organization mo, I'm sure hindi mo na kilala yun. But reality is hindi lahat magpapatuloy or magtatrabaho. We have only 20% of those 930 people na magtatrabaho. So let's say only the 20% of 9,330 people will do and not even buy 3 BT kits, no? Hindi nagnenegosyo, kinukonsumo lang, bumibili lang for personal use, 3 BT kits per month. So the 20% is 1,866 people buying 3 BT kits. You will earn or you will have a royalty bonus of, you can read it with me, 1,511,460 month after month after month. Bakit month after month after month, ma'am? Opo, kasi yun yung gagawin nila buwan-buwan, no? You have the 20% of your 930 people o hindi mo alam, madadagdagan pa yan buwan-buwan. So, ganun kalaki yung income dito pag tinatrabaho mo. So, passive income is real. Tama? Tama. Then, ito yon. Dito sa lifestyles, tayo yung tinatanong. Yung magtatrabaho tayo, di ba? Yung mga fresh graduate, pag magtatrabaho kayo, o meron ka bang work experience, o ano yung capabilities mo na ibibigay sa company. But dito, tayo yung tatanungin, what do you want to be and how much would you like to earn? O, di ba? So, ikaw yung magmuni-muni, no? Kung ano yung gusto mong akyatin at ano yung gusto mong i-earn dito. So, first, if you are a direct distributor, so you will earn 20,000 pesos. Then, if you are a regional director, sama ni Ma'am Georgie Lynn kanina, it's 40,000 pesos. Then we have the executive director of 75,000 pesos and national marketing director of national marketing director of 200,000 pesos, international marketing director of 500,000 pesos, and global marketing director of 1 million pesos. So, ayan yung tinatawag, yung nasa picture, yun yung tinatawag natin na ladder of success. So, paano yan aakyatin? Ito lang yung kailangan mong gawin. So, we have the 3 keys to success. First, must have a dream. So, 'di ba lahat tayo meron ng dream, pero yung iba dahil sa kahirapan, kumbaga binabaon na sa lupa yung dream kasi sabi ni Ma'am kanina, akala niya meron siyang babuyan, meron lang siyang manukan, okay na 'yon. Pero hindi pala kasi marami pa pala tayong mararating if gagawin natin yung business. And of course, kung malaki yung dream natin, dapat willing tayong mag-work, no? Kasi hindi naman magic. So, yung success natin dapat pagtrabahuan natin, yung dream natin. And of course, must be teachable. Ito pinaka-basic. Kasi kung hindi ka magpapaturo sa nagdala sa'yo dito, nag-i-invite sa'yo dito, hindi mo rin maaakyat yung ladder of success. Kasi sila yung may alam. So dapat yes lang tayo ng yes. Gaya ng ginawa ko sa mentor at upline ko. Ano pa? I think this is my last slides. So step on board and begin your journey with a lifetime. So ito yung story na i-share ko sa'yo before lifestyles. I have this health challenge. First, I have a mga dahon-dahon dyan sa mga ulo ko, no? At saka sa lunpas, just to relieve na parang sa sobrang sakit, hindi ko alam kahit iinom ako ng ibuprofen, talagang masakit pa rin. Kaya nilalagyan ko ng kahit anong dahon para ma-relieve ako para kumbaga hindi mas mag-level up pa yung sakit. And then, just last year, no, I was from Gensan, attending our business builders conference. Hindi ko lang alam, bigla lang yang tumubo, pang boil dito sa breast ko, talagang dito sa ng bra natin. So, ang sakit hanggang sa dito sa anong tawag dito, sa arm ko, no? Tapos, underarm rather. Tapos, hindi ko lang alam anong dahilan yan. Tapos, ang ginawa ko, niglagyan ko lang, I mixed Nutria and Intra, and then I put it there. Nilagyan ko ng gauze sponge, and then day after, ayan yung lumabas, no? Lumabas yung nana, at saka iniinom ko lang ng massive yung Nutria at saka Intra. So, ayan na po yung naging resulta. Sobrang ganda nung scar. So, I was thinking that is already cancer, no? Kasi first time man, hindi mo kuman alam na mayroon bang ganyang tutubo dito sa breast natin. So, sobrang amazing yung product. And just this year, hindi ko rin alam, kaya siguro nadala ako dito, no? Kasi God has a purpose na ma-met ko talaga si Lifestyles. Because last May, hindi ko rin alam, galing din ako sa Siargao way back April na medyo masama yung pakiramdam ko nang dumating si May. So, pumunta akong doktor kasi masakit talaga yung lalamunan ko. So, I was asked to have an ultrasound. So, yung unang papel po, yun yung resulta. I have a 1.5 by 1.1 by 1.0 bukol in the middle of my thyroid. And I have a cystic forms 0.3 to 0.7 on my left and right ng thyroid. So, I really believe na dinala ako dito dahil may rason yung Panginoon. Kasi nagsishare ako, marami na yung taong natutulungan ko, especially with health challenge po, na hindi ko man sila kilala, natutulungan ko. So, hindi ko po ininom si levothyrodoxine na nireseta ni Doc. I take massively the product, 15 to 18 capsules, Nutria Plus, and almost 3 days, inuubos ko yung Intra bottle. I went back August 20. Sabi, babiopsy ako pag the same pa yung nakikita ni Doc or nakap-kap, I don't know how to, but sabi niya, he can almost feel it. So, walang nangyaring biopsy. Last August 17, I was asked to have another ultrasound. Very amazing talaga yung product kasi yung bukol ko sa thyroid dito sa gitna, as in hindi na siya makita. So, kaya kanina ko lang yan nilagay dyan. Hindi nga maganda yung pagkalagay. Pero I am so proud of the product na talagang very amazing. Naiyak talaga ako nung binasa ko kasi talagang na-prove ko, Lord, thank you. I am here and I will do the mission, whatever it takes. So, yun, kumuha ako ng, I am a product of a page inquiry, hindi para sa akin, but para sa kaibigan ng kapatid ko na yung mama may breast cancer. So, kumbaga, inutusan lang ako, pero nag-enroll or nag-sign up ako para sa sister ko. Siya yung gagawa ng negosyo, hindi ako dahil meron nga kaming business, di ba? Pero, nung umattend ako with Sir Paul Kramer, I was inspired by Sir June Igot na gawin yung business kasi tricycle driver siya. So kung gawin, marami akong dream, especially travels. I love really travel. So ginawa ko lang yes ng yes ako. Ayan, dumami na po yung mga tao ko or mga kasama ko. So I enjoy the travels. Dito ko lang na-experience yung mga first na hindi nakalagay sa bucket list ko. No, ayan, I'm so proud kasi nung nagtatrabaho ako, hindi kami nagaganyan. So ang dami. I've been to Siargao, I've been to Gensan, I've been to Samal. Lately, I've been to Coron just last weekend. So I am so proud. I am part of this prestigious company and I am honored to do the mission of the company to help other people live better every day. And of course, career and personality growth. For 10 years working, hindi ko po na-receive yung mga plaque or mga ganyan na mga awards. But dito, parang buwan-buwan, no, I am in lifestyles for 2 years, pero medyo malaki-laki na rin yung narating ko. So I am proud of myself, and of course, I am forever thankful to my upline. Kung hindi dahil sa kanila, hindi ko rin mararating kung anumang meron ako ngayon. And properties paid with the help of lifestyles. Of course, yung sasakyan namin na ginagamit sa negosyo namin, supposedly ma-pay off by February of 2025 next year, but it was fully paid last February 4 of 2023, and a unit of in a condominium here in Dumaguete City. And I am proud, my first check here in Lifestyles is 56,000 after a month of doing the business, and my highest check combined with my husband when I was promoted as National Marketing Director is 290,000. So that's all. Thank you and good morning.
Wow, thank you so much, Ma'am, for that wonderful business presentation and for sharing your amazing interest story. Okay, I'm sure excited na ang mga guests, no? Nakapili na ba kayo kung anong package ang kukunin nyo? Type yes! Yes or yes? Okay. So, na-inspire ba kayo? Para mas lalo kayong ma-inspire, no? Pakinggan natin ang stories ng ating mga testimony sharers. May I call on Executive Director Heidi Prayon, followed by National Marketing Director Jonah Pilapil. Take it away, testimoners.
Good morning, Philippines, and hello, world. So, good morning, my fellow lifestylers. I am Executive Director Heidi Umanya Prayon, all the way from Hinatilan, Cebu. My background, I am a teacher by profession, knowing lifestyles for 25 years, no? 28 years na ako sa DepEd. I know lifestyles through Ma'am Chunette Quijano. Both products and business opportunity, I rejected it. But lifestyles came to me again through my angel upline, Ma'am Judian Diaz. I signed up just 2,000 and get one Better Together kit just for the diabetes of my mama. But ako mismo, mayroon din akong mga karamdaman, napakadami, no? Una, I have, nagsasuffer ako ng migraine kasi pag guro tayo, napakadaming stress, acid reflux, frozen shoulders, numbness of my right side of my back. Kasi alam niyo po, meron akong acute appendicitis na operayon. May breast cyst naman ako, salamat sa Diyos, at hindi yun malignant. But my 3 cesarean operations of my 3 children. But taking also the product, I can control my temper and I felt energized too, no? But the question is, how can I take the products na medyo man may kamahalan? So ang ginawan ko yun ng paraan. Buti na lang naka-attend ako ng presentation doon sa SM Trade Hall. Nakita ko si Paul Kramer at nakita ko ang napaka-amazed na business. So I got a loan of 70,000 and avail direct package, no, para for a maximum discount. Then buti na lang ni-join ako sa Lifestyles kasi yun ang kauna-unahan kong pag-attend ng RLT in Legazpi City. So kung makita nyo dyan, that is my first travel. No, ininom ko ang products, sinishare ko sa mga co-teachers ko. Then I was promoted to regional director in Aliw Theater Pagyud, no? So grabe. So then I got my 28 check with 9 free intra-battle. Then promoted August of 2019, I was promoted executive director. Napakasaya ko talaga kasi the owner of the company is there to give me then ito na ngayon ang mga ginagawa ko sa Lifestyles, doing it nag-share ng products, and then together pinagpatuloy ko itong ginagawa. My blockbuster story there is my papa has also a 83-year-old diagnosed liver cancer stage 4, Siliman at Chongwa. 3 months to live, tramadol lang ang binigay na Dr. Pain Reliever. Buti na lang sa Intra at sa Nutria, pinamasib ko ang papa ko na extend ng 1 year ang kaniyang sakit. Ang asthma rin ng dalawa kong anak, ipinainom ko lang ng Intra juice, no? Sila na-address rin. Then my blockbuster story also, my son got a motorcycle accident. Intra lang Nutria pinainom ko. Nutria rin inilagay sa kanyang sugat. Buti na lang walang doktor at no hospitalization. My former pupil also diagnosed with skin TV. Inoperahan siya sa provincial hospital. Hindi tinahi ang sugat niya. Tinabunan lang ng artificial skin ang sugat. Grabe, Intra at Nutria lang ang pinainom ko. Tinapal ko rin sa sugat. Ayos lahat. Napakabuti ng Panginoon. Without operation flow. So, Fox, we're not bragging here. If you love your body, inumin ang Intra. But if you love your family, do the business. With that, thank you and good morning. To God be all the glory.
Yes, sir, yes. Good morning. Are you still excited? Yes. So, I'm one of the National Marketing Director, Jonah Pilapil, all the way from Yati, Liloan, Cebu. So, I met Lifestyles 2016 because of the health challenge of my 8-year-old son. So, I'm a traditional business owner. So for the 20 years, I've been into piggery business. So isang rakitera na mama kasi gustong umangat sa buhay, but sad to say, lahat ng business na pinasukan ko palpak. So God answered my prayers kasi I was financially drained na po. So God answered in different ways. Binigyan niya po ako ng anak at the age of 44. So, pangatlong anak ko siya. So, may maintenance na siya since birth kasi grabe yung eczema niya, yung asthma niya. Every month nasa kami, pediatrician na kami kasi may maintenance na po siya since birth. So, the product is so amazing. By just taking the product 3 days, nakita ko na yung result ng niya. So, for now, 8 years old na siya, wala na po siyang maintenance. Yes, amazing yung product. At saka may bukol ako sa likod na wala yung opera because umiinom lang kami ng Lifestyles product. So, I embrace the mission. Nagpaturo po ako sa mentor ko kasi dito sa Lifestyles, hindi ka iiwan. Merong mentor, walang bayad yun. So, I attend trainings. Lumaki yung yung lumaki yung group ko because kasi inspired ako sa product kasi hindi mahirap i-share yung product kasi amazing yung product. Ito yung business. It is a 3-year career. It is a 3-year plan, not a 5 years career plan. It is a 3 to 5 years plan, not a 40 years plan. So ito yung achievement ko. So yung anak ko na nagpapahiram sa akin ng pang-start ng business, same na kami ngayon, National Marketing Director niya din siya. Kasi nagsishare din siya ng products because the product is so amazing. So, at saka isa pa, yung pinaka masarap dito kasi yung personality growth mo, hindi to mababayaran. Grabe yung grow ko dito kasi noon sa negosyo lang ako, hindi ako mahiyain ako, but here, I'm one of the speaker na. At saka, yung travels dito, super. So, yung first check ko dito is only 4,647,000.90, but my highest check is 227,320.
check what passive income lang yun, excluding po yun the retail profit. So meron din akong, so I have already mga investments, so mga investment because of lifestyles income. So my dear guest, if you love your body, take the products, and if you love your family, do the business and be one of us. With that, thank you and good morning.
Yes, thank you so much, testimony sharers, for sharing your inspiring story and very amazing intra story. Okay, dahil na-inspire kayo at excited kayo, no, I will introduce to you our last speaker. Okay, so he is a registered nurse by profession, doing the lifestyles business for 12 years that paved the way for his huge organization, both local and international. Lifestyles GMA Elite Leader of the Year 2020 awardee, magna cum laude of the 90-day program Batch 4 and Batch 9. Please help me welcome our very own International Marketing Director, Angelo Bergado. The screen is yours, IMD.
Yes, sir. Yes. Thank you so much for that warmest introduction, NMD Sheila. Yes. So I'm excited. Wow. I'm so inspired with all the speakers, life-changing stories. And now let me introduce to you, and I'll be sharing to you my interest story. And lifestyles indeed changed my life. And I'm ready and excited to share to you. If you're excited that your life be changed, type yes in the comment section. Yes or yes? Yes. So this is my interest story. So I am a registered nurse by profession, and I'm grateful to my mentor, my coach, no other than Global Marketing Director Tonette Bergado, who shared the lifestyles opportunity to me. So that time I had health challenges, ang dami-dami kong health challenges. So yung pimples, acne ko, super dami and very nakaka-low ng self-confidence. My mom had vertigo, migraine, taas ng BP, ang dami niyang sakit, ang dami niyang cyst sa ovary. My dad had back problem, my brother had skin allergy, and ako rin, lola ko was having 211 over 100, had stroke, and I was rushed in the hospital, and lumalabo na yung vision ko, and the vision, yung mga ilaw, mayroong mga rainbow. So the normal pressure of the eyes, of the optic nerve is 12 to 20. It shoot up around 50. It damaged my optic nerve. And the doctor told me, Jello, candidate ka na mabulag, walang operasyon, walang gamot na makakatulong sa'yo. I prayed for it. Sabi ko, sabi ng doctor, second opinion, wala. Pag mabubulag ka. Third opinion, same din opinion. Walang gamot na walang operation na makakatulong. But kagaya ngayon, nag-pray rin ako na Lord, sana maayos yung health ko, maayos yung finances namin. But like God answers all our prayers. Kagaya nyo, nag-attend din ako. And then it was an answered prayer. I started with a borrowed credit card and borrowed cash. I started with an instant direct package. I took Lifestyles product massively, Intra, Nutria, Fiber Life. Wala bang card life then. All our health challenges, after 1 month and a half, yung dating nerve na namatay, nabuhay na siya. And now, for 13 years now, our family is now healthy. Yes or yes? Are you excited? Yes. My first check, I did the mission. I was about to go to abroad to work there, but hindi na ako natuloy because I saw the ladder of success of Lifestyles. I did the mission. My first check was 14,000. Grabe talaga, grabe yung natuwa ako na totoo. I was able to travel from different places, Luzon, Visayas, locally. So I'm so thankful. And I was, even though when I was traveling from different places in the Philippines, grabe, like Bohol, Coron, I'm having passive income because you share na secrets kanina. So thank you to Lifestyles. I was able to go to Balisin Island where in membership, mga millionaires. So imagine mo, rode a luxurious yacht, and I was able also to travel international Asian countries, and I was able also to go to Europe. Yan. France, Italy, Spain, and excited. Next week, I'll be traveling with my business partners and mentor to UK to build the business and travel. When I was promoted national marketing director, wow, grabe, I had my 6-digit income, which is 280,000, and I recently, July 2024, I was promoted to international marketing director and earned 532,000. Wala pa doon ang retail income. Grabe ang Lifestyles, the best business in the world. Thank you to my team Victorious. Now, I have people, assets. Thank you, Lord, because of the proven AB franchising system. Personal development from a very quiet and introvert and very mahiyain na person. Now it was building confidence ko because of the personal development here in Lifestyles. Yes or yes? Yes. So thank you to Lifestyles and Paper Assets, blessings, financial blessings. So yan yung nangyari sa akin. And as I'm building my assets, I'm building memories with my family. Every day is a family day. Yes or yes? Thank you to Lifestyles, the best business in the world. And what's nice, as I build my assets, grabe talaga. Blessing over blessings. I was able to give back to God, the Mercy Ministries. I have a heart for senior citizen. And recently, last year, we went to vacation in US and Canada. Every 20th of the month, yung payouts sa Lifestyles. And for 41 days, traveling and enjoying the best life and building our business, grabe, hindi namin napansin, tuloy-tuloy ang income because of Lifestyles. Yan, we were able to sama mag-join kami with different countries. Yan, every year we have our national gala. Grabe. So thank you, Lifestyles. And ayan, with my mentors, thank you so much for that. And I learned to grow my relationship with God. This is a blessing to us, which is Lifestyles. So parang our gift to God is our attitude. And now we give back to God, the Mercy Ministries. Dream ko makabigay sa mga lolo, lola, because I love parents and mga senior citizen. Our goal is actually, the role of wealth is to buy experience, buy convenience, and of course, 2/3 is to contribute and to help more people. Thank you to my mentors, and so GMD Net, GMD Eva, GMD Net, and all the asset builders. You're truly an inspiration. So, guys, meron akong masasabi ngayon na question sa inyo, serious. Where will you be 3 to 5 years from now if you continue doing what you're doing right now? Ngayon, gusto mo, may mabago. May trabaho ka ngayon. Sabi mo, parang kulang income mo. But parang ang taas ng inflation ngayon. Or parang, yung hanggang minimum na naman yung credit card ko. O bakit panapuno na naman yung utang ko? Kamusta na yung income mo? May savings ka ba? So, parang gusto mo laging may different na result. Sabi nga dito, insanity is doing the same thing over and over but expecting different result. Parang gusto mo na, gusto ko na mas malaki income ko, mas gusto ko na mabago yung health ko, pero wala kang binabago sa sarili mo. So, imagine if you are willing to make a change. Ayan, type mo in the comment section, change. Kung gusto mo ng change, so sabi mo, change ang gusto ko. Okay, so sabi niya, yes. Ang good news ko sa'yo, yes, pwedeng magkaroon ng change. Kapag mag-decide ka, kukulitin mo yung tao na nag-share sa'yo nito na gusto ko na magsimula ng business kasi pagod na ako na may utang, pagod na ako lagi may sakit yung family namin, pagod na ako na walang time. So, pagod na ako na parang lagi pa ulit-ulit na lang tong sitwasyon. Pagod na ako, hindi ko nabibigay yung dreams sa family ko. But now, the good news is, say yes in the comment section. Let's have change. Ano ba mangyayari kapag nagkaroon ng change? Of course. So, you will see the world while earning with your online franchising business. Yes. Even I remember, naglalakad kami sa park sa Vancouver, Canada, sa St. Elizabeth with my family. Kasi ang lamig-lamig. Kasi nakikita namin nagko-fall yung mga autumn leaves. Sabi ko, wow, thank you, Lord, na nasa Lifestyles kami. Or yung time na nasa cruise kami sa Bangkok, Thailand, nagtatawa na kami yung family. So alam mo yung one time, nagpa-plan kami for next year, any travels namin ng family. You could travel anywhere, anytime with your loved ones. Buy your own car and house. Di pa kami nakabili ng maraming cars at ng house and properties namin. because of the lifestyles business. Buy the latest gadgets. Nako, dati dream ko lang yan. Sabi ko, Lord, sabi ko gusto ko ng magandang gadget o yung latest. But now, I have it already. Thank you to lifestyles. Yes or yes. Freedom from boss. Hindi iniisip po, oo nga, no, magta-time in ako, magta-time out ako. Oy, wala akong time kasi nga busy ako, may trabaho ako. But here in lifestyles, you will have total freedom. Yes or yes. Yes, building assets, earn passive income, and never have to work again. Yes, let's learn, be teachable na lang here, and grabe, learn from the very successful people, and we learn from them. It will change because it happened to me and to our family. It can also happen to you, and I believe in that. Yes or yes? Yes. Okay, so let's grind in your 20s. If you're 20s right now, grind. Start your business right now. Build your in your 30s in your business. Build your biggest network, your users, your business builders. We have already a proven AB franchising system, and now chill in your 40s like our mentors, now enjoying the best lives of total freedom already. So the biggest risk is not taking any risk. Only strategy that is guaranteed to fail is not taking risk. So yung takot mo, Lord, takot ako guys, takot ako, ayoko magsimula, hindi ko alam kung paano, takot ako kung anong nangyari. Alam mo yung fear mo na yan, yung heart mo yan, nararamdaman mo na yan yung magkukuha ng mga lahat ng dreams mo. Tatandaan mo yung dreams mo, yan yung nalagay ni Lord sa heart mo. Yun dapat yung excited ka na magta-travel ako with my family. Magbibili ko yung latest gadget ko. Magkakaroon akong bagong house. Ayoko na mag-rent. Or lahat na yan, yung excitement mo na yan, yung dreams mo na yan. Be that fuel because today you are one step closer to your financial freedom. Choose, you want to be broke pa rin or gusto mo pa rin magkaroon ng total freedom. So kung gusto mo ng freedom or gusto mo ng broke, gusto mo freedom, type freedom in the comment section. So right now, to everyone, to all our guests listening right now, Lifestyles has changed my life. It can also change yours. So decide now, go to the person that invited you here today and say yes to the opportunity. If you love yourself, take Lifestyles product. But if you love your family and your genes, do Lifestyles business. Thank you, and to God be all the glory.